This is a video walking you through how to submit the Google Slides assignment. This is something you may have done in another class, but we have not done for my class this year. So this is the assignment due before you leave today. If you go to the module for this week, you're going to click on the Solving Rational Equations practice assignment. And it might prompt you to log into your school Google account. If that's the case, just log in. Your school email and password for Rapid ID is what will get you logged in. And then this is what you're going to see. So you're going to click on the Open to attach and submit. And this is your assignment. So you have 6 problems to solve, and then here are your answers. So you're going to do your written work on another page, and then as you're solving, you're going to drag the answers to the boxes where you think they go. When you're done, this is the important part. You need to go back to the tab after you have finished editing the slide and select Submit. It'll say submit your work, and you say submit again. So you need to make sure up here it says submitted before you are done. And if you go back to Canvas, now that I've submitted, if I refresh the page, it will show that these are the files I have submitted. So you have to make sure you have done both steps for submitting your file in order for me to see it. When you're done submitting the file for the Google assignment, you need to upload a picture of your written work into the assignment below it. And that is how you will earn full credit for this practice.